Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to turn your photos into AI videos in CapCut for free using Seedance AI? You can do it directly on your phone in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Tap Edit. Next, go to AI Generator. Then tap AI Video. Now tap the plus icon to upload your photos or videos. Choose the photos you want to turn into AI videos. After that, tap the text box that says describe your video here. Type a prompt to describe the AI video you want to create. For example, you can type cinematic camera movement, realistic lighting, smooth motion, high quality. Next, scroll down to the AI model section. Select Seedance. Go to duration, choose 5 seconds. After that, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. Next, go to resolution, select 480p. Once everything is ready, tap generate. CapCut will now create an AI video automatically from your uploaded photos. This process may take a few moments. Once the AI video is finished, preview the result. If you like the video, tap export to save it to your device. And that's how to turn photos into AI videos in CapCut using Sora 2 on Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.